Osayomore Joseph still remains superstar for our heart, not to give him a befitting burial. Governor Obaseki na talk this one. Edo State Governor Obaseki don carry waka with other top government officials go visit the family of late Ogbonge musician Ambassador Osayomore Joseph for the loss of their father for Benin City. Governor Obaseki come talk say the late Osayomore na Edo superstar wey been very close friend for many years. Say na person wey get the good of the people for mind and wey put hand join the development of the society through im music. So that na why dem owe am proper burial. Obaseki Konya say e pain now when he hears say the musician don't buy. Say dem go miss am and they go work with the burial committee to join body for the success of the burial ceremony.
When I heard of the passing of my friend, I call him my friend and my brother, Osayomore Joseph, like all his fans across the world, I was deeply saddened. Because as you know, your father, my friend, our brother, was a very, very versatile artist. Somebody who cared for his people, who cared for our culture and our arts. As you know, over the last several years, we've been quite close. And there's barely any activity he has, whether he's launching a new album or he wants to have a big show, that he will not inform me. He split his part. Like you said, artists never die because their works live forever. But beyond being an artist, as you know, he was also a social commentator. He was a true reformer. Someone who could not keep silent in the face of injustice, in the face of impropriety. He spoke his mind and he spoke it through his music, which certainly will miss him. The only thing we owe him today is to give him a befitting funeral, a befitting farewell. That is what we owe him. And being one of you, being part of you, I've come to not only commiserate with you, but also to find out what the plans for the burial arrangements are, so that we can know how to support his funeral. He's our own. He's one of us. We will miss him, but he has lived his own life. He has contributed to our society. And all that is left for us is to take those values, those things he lived and preached about, and make sure that we continue to keep those values. He was a good man. He was kind. And he was real. On behalf of the people of Edo State, the government of Edo State, we want to commiserate with you. Accept our most sincere sympathy on the passing of this Edo superstar.
Engineer Frank Ugboma will be the late Osayomore manager. Come here the governor when he come visit them even with his busy schedule. Saying visit go help the family and members for the Performing Musicians Association of Nigeria, P-Man, Hill Shapali.
You're welcome. We are saying that your coming here will help in no small way to help us bear the loss that we have just suffered. I do where you can't come and not go. But sometimes not all of us are ready for the going. Musicians don't die. Their music, whenever you play them, they are alive. So it will be a title I will hold like that. Please, part of the family, we have quickly put together a committee of stakeholders to help us organize, coordinate, and make sure that everything runs smoothly.
Ebu Sereme, Obinome, TMC TV News.